am recording. All right. The first one we're going to do today is one with your partner. I want you to try example 3. All right, you're going to try parentheses 2a minus 12 times parentheses 5a plus 3. I don't care if you and your partner decide to use the box or choose to use FOIL, but you must choose the same thing. So turn to your partner right now and decide what you want to do. Okay? And then work together. Go quick. Are you all done?
They go together. See, the 2x and negative 16 go together, so it's negative 10. And 6 and 60 go together. They're the same variable.
So it's 2a times 5.
I don't bring anything. And a squared was negative 54 or minus 6.
All right. Are we ready? No? All right, the right answer is 10a squared minus 54a, or you could have had plus a negative 54a, and then minus 36, or plus a negative 36. Talk to your partner, decide if you want to come up here. Anyone interested? Hands up. Be brave. Oh, there's more Bigfoot stuff up here today.
So we need Bigfoot.
1, 2, 3. 3. Oops.
Okay, make the square.
Out of curiosity, raise your hand if your group chose the box method. Okay. Everybody else chose what? Cool.
And then you put the two things on top and on the side. Then you solve the square 2a times 5a is 10a squared. And then negative 12 times 5a is negative 60a. 3 times 2a is 6a. Negative 12 times 3 is negative 36. And then you write it out. Yeah,
How'd you know to combine the negative 60 and the 6?
because they both are like term and belong to the same variable.
Yep, just 1A. This is a Bigfoot map. Oh, and a foot chart. Bigfoot stickers, magnifying glass, unwatered signs, Play-Doh, fish. Okay.
Can you hold the map up?
The map shows places where Bigfoot has been sighted and then also has a footprint chart. And apparently facts. All right. Example 4. All right, this one I'm doing with you. Okay. Change my mind.
We do it ourselves.
What?
Ourselves. What did you do?
What did I do?
Yeah.
I haven't done anything yet. I regretted what I wrote down. So I guess so far I've done regret. You can copy me with that if you want, or you could just not do regret and learn from my mistakes. All right, first parenthesis is x plus 3. Second parenthesis is x squared minus x minus 9. Okay, so what's the plan when you're multiplying something that isn't two binomials? What does the prefix bi mean again? Like bicycle? 2. This one has 2, this one has 3.
Trinomial. So you make a bigger.
Trinomial, that's exactly right. A lot of people call this quadratics with the square, yeah?
It's 3, it's 2 by 3.
2 by 3. If you want to do it with the box, it would be 2 by 3. That's what I was jumping the gun with earlier. But what if you don't want to do it with the box? What if you want to do it with foil? Does foil work anymore? First, outer, inner, last? No. Do you see how we're going to end up with 6 spots? You could still do the foil type thing by doing this. Look up. You would say, I want this first one distributed here, here, and here. There's your first 3. And your second 3 would be that 3 distributed there, there, and there. So if you want to just make a list for yourself of the 6 things that it would be distributed to, you could do that, or you could put it in a box. I prefer a box because it helps me remember exactly what I've done so far. X times x squared is x to the 3rd. Negative x times x is negative x squared. Negative 9 times x is negative 9x. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 and negative x, what would that be? Negative 3x. And then negative 9 and 3? Negative 27. Then I combine like terms. Looks like this is the only one that has x to the 3rd, so I'm going to write x to the 3rd. And then these two get combined together because they both have x squareds in them. This one's like a negative 1. 3 and a negative 1 makes 2x squared. And then these two to go together because they both have just regular x's. That'd be negative 12x or minus 12x, and then minus 27. Again, you don't need a box, you can just do the distribution thing, kind of like FOIL, but the acronym first, outer, inner, last doesn't work anymore because there's 6 things instead of 4. Does anybody have any questions for me? Okay. So, next, example 5 is going to be a contest. This is a contest for a fancy pen.
Ooh.
It is not a race. We're trying for accuracy here. All right, let's talk about